Hello kids! Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, and this topic is related to your favorite animals. Okay? Now before starting I will tell you one interesting story. Once upon a time there were two men, Mr. Kind and Mr. Unkind. They had two pets. One was dog, woof, 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 and the other one was cat, meow. So, Mr. Kind used to treat his cat and dog very nicely. He used to give them proper food, he used to give them clean water, and he used to take care of them and love them very nicely. Now, Mr. Unkind, he was very bad. He used to treat his animals very badly. He used to beat them. He does not used to give them proper food and even the clean water as well. So what happened was Mr. Kind's cat and dog were very happy, whereas Mr. Unkind's cat and dog were very sad. One night there came two thieves. They wanted to steal all the belonging of these two people. So first thief went to Mr. Unkind's house and they went slowly. And what happened was dog and cat could listen to the thief coming, but they said if we do anything then our master will get very angry on us and he will again beat us. So let's keep quiet. And what did thief did? Thief took all the money from Mr. Unkind's house and they ran away. Now they planned to go to Mr. Kind's house. So what happened was when they entered, the dog's ear was very sharp and he could listen to the sound, and he said to the cat, there are somebody who is coming to our master's house. So they had a plan, and what did they do was the cat came and pounced the thief and the dog started barking. So they got very scared and they ran away quickly. Now next morning what happened was Mr. Unkind was very sad and he was very crying. He was telling that all my money is gone and my dog and cat did nothing. And Mr. Kind was very happy. And Mr. Kind told Mr. Unkind that it's not about your dog and cat, it's about you, how you treat them. You should not be very harming to them. The moral of the story is you should never hurt any animals. You have to be very kind. Okay? Now I will tell you, I know that all of you love animals so much and you are very smart that you even know what is pet animal, what is domestic animal and a wild animals. Now do we really know that how do we have to take care of these animals? How we have to be kind to them? See, there is somebody who is coming. Okay? Now, this is the way you have to be kind with the animals. The first one is you have to feed them proper food and a clean water. They don't want the dirty water or else they will feel sick. Now the second way is this is a stray dog. In case if you see any of the stray animals, and if they are stuck somewhere on the tree, they cannot jump in or they have got hurt, there is an accident. So what you have to do is you have to tell your parents to call the rescue officer. See, this is a rescue officer. He came to rescue this dog. Now, this is a jungle. See, it is very easy to take care of this two. One, the pet animal and the domestic and the stray animal. Now, how are we going to take care of these jungle animals? Because they are very dangerous. It's very easy. It's save jungle, save animal. You should not allow anyone to cut the trees. If the trees are cut, where will the animals go? They will not have the house. See, there are bees which are staying in the house, in the tree. There are birds who stays. There are snake who stays. So you should not destroy or you should not cut the trees. And this is a mountain. If you cut the mountain, where will the animals go and stay? They have caves, they have dens in the mountain. Okay? Now, see, we will learn very fast. What is this? Be kind to animals. Be gentle with them. See how gentle this girl is. She's giving a cat food and show concern. You have to show concern by calling rescue officer if there is any problem with the animals. Adopt animals. If you want to keep a pet, don't buy it. You can adopt it so that animal will also be happy and you will also be happy. Now, what are the important things you should not do? Is hunting animals. Do you know gun? Dishkam. So you should not see anyone hunting it. You have to call police immediately. Cutting trees, as I said, cutting trees in mountain are very dangerous. Hurting animals. You should not hurt animals. You should love them and you must take care of them. Okay? Now we all understood how we should be kind with the animals. Last, there is a worksheet. It's very interesting worksheet and it is very simple. Now we have to see which animal is sad and which animal is happy. We have to tick the smiley. Okay? The first one is turtle. A turtle who lives in the pond is taken and put in the tank. The pond is big and the tank is small. So will the tortoise be happy or sad? It will be sad. So you have to tick here. Now there is a pigeon. He is being chased by man to hold it. So will the pigeon be happy or sad? It will be sad. So we have to tick here. Last, a girl is feeding rabbit with the carrots. She's giving carrots to the rabbit. So will the rabbit be happy or sad? It will be very happy. So you have to tick this. Okay? So I want to tell you one more secret. You know, I have my best friend and the best friend's name is Cow. Her name is Gauri. And you know what? I love her so much and I take care of them.